All right, guys, today we got a J3 Emerge. The LCD is damaged, so we're going to replace the screen. First thing you want to do is take the back off. Once you take the back cover off, you're going to remove the battery. Once you do the battery, we're going to check out this model number, but you can't really see it, but it's J327P. You're going to go ahead and flip it over on the other side, and we're going to check this LCD. It should work on a P, a T, an I, whichever 327 you got, it's going to work. I'll leave a link in the description. You can use a hairdryer or a heat gun. I highly recommend using a heat gun. It is way better than a hairdryer. If you use a hairdryer, it will work. It's just going to take you a lot longer to accomplish what you want to. But it does work. But you want to start at the sides and at the top. Do not start at the bottom. There's two cables at the bottom, and you don't want to damage them at all. Just keep adding heat, pry, heat, pry. Once I got enough there, I started going to the bottom, see what I could do. Usually the bottom, if it's cracked bad enough, it'll pop up. But you won't be able to damage the cables. Right there, you can see the cable a little bit. It's that kind of copper looking color right there. But once you get it up enough, you're going to go ahead and take the cover off and remove the LCD connection. It usually just pops right up. That's the cable right there. You want to be super duper careful of it. It's on the bottom right and the bottom left. So when removing the bottom right and left, be super careful. We're scraping all the glass out here, the tape, the glue. We want to make sure when we put the new screen on, it sits down flush. You can put it on sometimes and it'll have a little gap, and that's usually because a piece of glass, a piece of tape, something was left on. This is a factory cutout of 3M tape that I got. It came with this screen. I've never used this before. I always use regular 3M tape, but I put it in the exact same spot that this cutout is made for. But you can do the tape around the sides. Just don't put it over camera holes or anything. Once you get the tape on there, we're going to go ahead and connect the LCD digitizer down. We're going to put the cover over the top of it. And then we're going to go ahead and lay this bad boy down. You want to line up the camera at the top of the phone first. And then once you do that, make your way down the phone on the sides. And lastly, you will connect the home button at the bottom. It'll make sure it goes around it real good. But I'm just going to go around the sides, and like I said, if you feel it's not going down or a little crunch, it might be a little piece of glass or something that's in the way. Then I always heat it up, and just to get the glue real sticky, go ahead and power this bad boy on, put the back cover on, and we're going to test it out and make sure it works okay. If it's your phone, then you can get in there and mess with it and check it out, make a phone call and all that. If it's not your phone, it's somebody else's, and you don't know the passcode, the best way to do this is go into emergency and then start pushing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and all the corners and whatnot, just to make sure that you didn't miss anything and it's all working correctly. But other than that, the phone works good. Hope this helped you guys out a little bit. If you have any questions or concerns, just let me know. All right. Thanks for watching. I appreciate your time. Bye.